Guys, welcome back to my channel Ayra GK World. It's a geography class. Which country is known as Land of Thousand Lakes? The right answer is Finland. Look at this image and identify the monument. Question 3. What is the capital of Canada? The capital of Canada is Ottawa. How many stars are on the Australian flag? There are 6 stars on the Australian flag. How many countries are there in Africa? The right answer is 54. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.